Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Analytics 4 with BigQuery exports step by step clearly. To activate Google Analytics 4 with BigQuery exports, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Select the property you wish to work with. In the left-hand menu, click on Admin. Under the Property column, find and select BigQuery Linking. Click on the Link button to initiate the. You will then be prompted to select a BigQuery project. If you don't have a project, you'll need to create one in Google Cloud Console. Choose the project you want to link to Google Analytics. Next, configure your settings for data exports. You can choose between daily and streaming exports. Select your preferred option based on your reporting needs. Review the linked project information to ensure accuracy. Click on Next to proceed with the linking. You will see a summary of the linking process. Confirm that you are satisfied with the settings. Click on Submit to complete the integration. Once linked, data from Google Analytics will start exporting to BigQuery. To view your data, navigate to your BigQuery project in the Google Cloud Console. Here, you can create custom queries to analyze your analytics data. Remember, it may take some time for data to start appearing in BigQuery. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Google Analytics 4 with BigQuery exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.